What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about PNB savings account. Pag-uusapan natin yung maintaining average daily balance at saka yung initial deposit at the same time yung interest rate. At saka pag-uusapan din natin guys yung quick guide kung paano mag-open ng PNB savings account. Kasi may iba't ibang klaseng savings account si PNB. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys, PNB. PNB stands for Philippine National Bank. Choose the account that will help you meet your savings goal. So ito guys, ito yung savings account. Debit savings. So, debit card check. So, ibig sabihin, itong savings account na to is may debit card siya. Passbook is naka-X siya. So, meaning debit card lang yung meron. Interest rate, guys, is 0.100%. Then, yung initial deposit is 3,000 pesos. PNB Debit Savings Account. It's a regular savings account that comes with a PNB PAL, Mabuhay Miles Debit Mastercard, which can be used at Mastercard and Maestro accredited merchants. Over 2 million ATMs worldwide. So, ibig sabihin, even outside the country, outside the Philippines, pwede nyo magamit yung debit card ninyo kapag nag-withdraw kayo ng funds. Pero take note lang guys, kapag nag-withdraw kayo ng funds outside the country, mas mataas yung fees or yung withdrawal fee. Balance requirements. Initial deposit is 3,000 pesos. Yung minimum maintaining balance is 3,000 pesos. Yung minimum average daily balance to earn interest is 10,000 pesos. So, meaning, kailangan 10,000 yung balance niya para maka-earn kayo ng interest. Then, yung interest rate is 0.100%. So, ito guys, nais ko lang i-highlight, no? So, when we say initial deposit, ito yung iuna yung dadalhin yung pera kapag balak yung mag-open ng savings account. Actually guys, iba-ibang initial deposit to bawat account. At saka yung maintaining balance naman, ito yung kailangan yung i-maintain na balance para hindi kayo ma-charge ng 300 pesos service charge every month ni PNB. Actually, hindi lang si PNB yung gumagawa ng ganyan, pati rin yung ibang banks. Yun yung regular SOP nila or yung sinasabing standard operating procedure. Minimum ADB to earn interest, average daily balance. So, yung kailangan yung i-maintain para maka-earn kayo ng interest sa savings account ninyo. 10,000 pesos siya. At iba-iba rin ito guys sa bawat account na ino-offer ni PNB. Then yung interest rate is 0.100% PA. So, meaning per annum. Per year yung bilangan dito guys, hindi per month. 0.100% per annum per year. So, sana na-clear ko yun sa inyo guys. Applied yun, yung sinabi ko sa lahat ng ino-offer na passbook or savings account ni PNB or Philippine National Bank. Sa passbook savings naman, debit card X. So, meaning walang debit card si passbook savings account. Passbook is check. Then, interest rate is 0.100%. Initial deposit is 10,000 pesos. PNB Passbook Savings Account. It's a savings account wherein transactions are recorded in a passbook. It allows you to do the following. Earn interest, monitor account by updating the passbook, deposit and withdraw at any PNB or Philippine National Bank nationwide. Balance requirements for PNB Passbook Savings Account are initial deposit is 10,000 pesos. So magkaiba na siya dati. Kanina sa savings account with debit cards 3,000 lang. Ngayon 10,000 na siya. Minimum maintaining balance is 10,000 pesos din. Alam nyo na yon. Then, minimum average daily balance to earn interest is 10,000 pesos din. Yung interest rate is 0.100% per annum. Sa Top Mastercard naman, debit, naka-check, passbook is X. Ibig sabihin, walang passbook, meron siyang debit card. Itong Top Mastercard savings account. Interest rate is 0.100% din. Yung initial deposit, guys, is 0. Maganda ito siya. PNB Top Mastercard account. Enjoy all the perks of a debit account with a zero maintaining balance account. Begin with your contactless shopping, payments, and saving experience with PNB Top Mastercard. Why open PNB Top Mastercard? Zero maintaining balance, earns interest, earn points from selected merchants which can be redeemed for Mabuhay Miles. Enjoy a 500 Mabuhay Miles welcome gift when you purchase at PAL or Philippine Airlines within 3 months from the card issuance. So, yung average daily balance niya must be 10,000 pesos to earn interest. So, kailangan 10,000 siya para mag-earn siya ng interest. Pero zero maintaining balance siya. Itong PNB Top Mastercard account. Then ngayon, let's move on to Top Saver Savings Account. Debit card is check or passbook is check. So meaning or, ibig sabihin you have to choose one. Hindi pwedeng dalawa sila. Interest rate is tiered and initial deposit is 30,000 pesos. So medyo mataas yung initial deposit niya. PNB Top Saver Account is a unique savings account that allows you to earn more as you save more. Grow your interest rate to a maximum of 0.500%. Your PNB Top Saver account comes with a passbook or PNB PAL Mabuhay Miles debit card. Why open a PNB Top Saver account? You can grow your interest rate from 0.125% to 0.500%. Enjoy the freedom of choosing between a debit card or passbook. So, ibig sabihin, freedom. You have to choose debit card or passbook. You can use your card to shop online and in store. Third, interest rates are subject to change when conditions warrant and without prior notice to the account holder. Next is my first savings. Debit card is check or ganun din, passbook checks. Ibig sabihin, you have to choose one. It's debit card or passbook. Interest rate is 0.100%. Initial deposit is 0 din siya. PNB My First Savings Account. It's a savings account for students aged to 19 years old. My First Savings Account comes with PNB PAL Mabuhay Miles debit card or PNB passbook. For children aged 7 years old below, an Entrust for or ITF, My First Savings Account should be opened, where the signatory is the parent of the child. So, ibig sabihin, need siya ng guardian, which is dapat yung immediate family, like for example, yung mother or father. Balance requirements for PNB My First Savings Account is, initial deposit niya is 0. Maganda siya guys. Then, yung maintaining balance naman niya is 0 din. Yung minimum average daily balance to earn interest is 5,000 pesos. Yung interest rate is 0.100% per annum. Then ngayon, let's move on to pensioner savings. Debit card check, then passbook is wrong. So, ibig sabihin, meron siyang debit card, wala siyang passbook. Then yung interest rate is 0.100%, then yung initial deposit is 100 pesos lang. PNB Pensioner Savings Account. It is an interest-bearing savings account specifically intended for SSS pensioners. Ibig sabihin, yung target niya is yung mga SSS pensioners. Siguro naman alam nyo kung ano yung SS pensioners. This account gives secure access to your monthly pensions. It comes with a debit card. Balance requirements is, initial deposit is 100 pesos only, then yung maintaining balance is 100 pesos din, at saka yung maintaining average daily balance to earn interest is 5,000 pesos. Then yung interest rate is 0.100% per annum. Then ngayon, let's move on to direct deposit pensioner. Debit card is X. Ibig sabihin, walang debit card pero merong passbook para sa direct deposit pensioner. Interest rate is 0.100%. Then yung initial deposit is 100 pesos lang. So I think that's all for now. So sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for my videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!